afternoon. As we've already conveyed, this is a special wellness campaign specifically focused on glaucoma and retina. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ glaucoma retina problems are usually ignored even by patients and ignored as far as awareness goes. ಐ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೋಕಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮೇಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Glaucoma retina are more serious problems than cataract for the simple reason that cataract surgery ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ವಿಷನ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಗ್ಲಾಕೋಮಾ ರೆಟಿನಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಷನ್ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ವಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಾಳಾದರೆ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ವಿಷನ್ ವಾಪಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ರೆಟಿನಾ ಗ್ಲಾಕೋಮಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಗ್ಲಾಕೋಮಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೆಟಿನಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬೇಗನೆ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಟು ಪ್ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ವಿಷನ್. Along with Star Health Insurance, we want to thank Star for partnering with us. We want to raise awareness of glaucoma and retina, which typically people ignore. After 40, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ವಿಷನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ, it can be blurring of vision, seeing black spots, which we call floaters. You have to come and get your eye screened for glaucoma and retina, and only when an eye hospital ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ಲಾಕೋಮಾ ಅಥವಾ ರೆಟಿನಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಸೇಫಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಚೆಕಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಗತ್ಯ. ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ದೇ ಕಮ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ವಾಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 25 lakh ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಟು ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ avail this opportunity of getting their eye screened, getting glaucoma and retinal screening, including retinoscopy, by our super specialist doctors. Consultation with super specialist retina and glaucoma if it's required. So we are offering this totally free, and any specialized investigations we are offering 20% discount. And even on opticals, which are best quality opticals, 15% discount for Star Health customers. Thank you.
ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿರೋ ಥರನೇ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದು, ಬಟ್ ರೆಟಿನಾ ಮತ್ತು ಗ್ಲೌಕೋಮಾ ಫಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಸೇವ್ ದ ಐಸ್. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರ, ಯಾರು ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಫುಲ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫರ್ದರು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಐಸು. ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಫ್ರೀ ಐ ಚೆಕಪ್ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಆಪ್ಟಿಷಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಡೀಪರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ಯಾರು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಿಡ್ಲ್ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಬರೋದು, ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಇಫ್ ಸಮನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋಮಾರ್ಬಿಡಿಟೀಸ್, ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೈಪರ್ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್, ಡಯಾಬಿಟೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರೋರಿಗೆ ಇದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು, ದಟ್ earlier diagnosed, early treatment will save the vision. So this is a very good initiative taken by the team here to come forward and give an open door for all the needies in the sector here. And I would like to just throw some light. For example, if in the last 1 year we have seen about nearly 10,000 claims only for eyes just from Star, imagine how many people will be having eye conditions. So this is a really very noble initiative, sir, and we really thank our Vasan team for this.
Now basically what I want to tell you through your medium is, as you are experienced journalists being heard everywhere in Bangalore, Karnataka and all over the country, so I would like to just say a few words for patient awareness. So many of the patients, they feel that eye is mainly about cataract or getting the glasses removed, but in the eye there are many other things which are equally or more important than that. So all eyes are, what we see from outside is actually only 10% of the eyeball. Majority, 90% of the eyeball is inside the head. So this eyeball which is there inside the head, it is made up of many parts such as retina or the nerve which connects the eye to the brain, which any effect or defect in the retina or this nerve can also lead to loss of vision. So any patient who is undergoing any kind of cataract surgery or even refractive surgery to remove the glasses, it is essential that all the aspects of the eye are checked prior to going ahead with any kind of surgery. So it is essential that you should get yourself evaluated in a tertiary care hospital with all specialities, and In the same note, I would like to say that at Vasan Eye Care, Rajaji Nagar, we have all specialities under one roof.
Namaskar, I'm Dr. Devika Singh. I'm a cornea, cataract and LASIK super specialist here in Vasan Eye Care, Rajaji Nagar. And we have all super specialists under one team here in our center. So from basic needs to advanced super speciality needs, whatever be your patient's concern, they will be well taken care of here. The infrastructure is well equipped with the latest modalities of technology, surgical equipments, and the patient care is absolute top notch.
I'm Dr. Motana from Vasan Eye Care Hospitals. So we are running an exclusive campaign, special campaign with Star Health Insurance for Star Health customers and agents to get a comprehensive eye screening including glaucoma and retina. The reason for this is, there is no focus on eye care comprehensively. People think eye means refractive errors, but diagnosing glaucoma and retina early is very important to preserve vision. Please come into any Vasan Eye Care hospital and get your eye checkup done free till March 31st, 2026. Diagnosing retinal or glaucoma problems early is very important to preserve vision. So please ensure that you avail this opportunity and get your eyes screened. Thank you.